Let me present our application, which is
Yes,
called
it's okay.
This we dreamed together within our team. But first I want to introduce ourselves, the team behind this application. So I start by me. My name is Tamás. I'm the fictional leader of this group. I study business informatics at Debrecen, and I'm obsessed with communication and lean management.
Hello, I'm Dominic from Croatia. I'm studying computer science at University of Zagreb. I enjoy working in software development.
I represent Charlotte also because unfortunately she's at the doctor's. So she was also one of our main members. She helped a lot and she was really good. She had really good advices concerning languages and culture.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. I'm from Romania. I currently study mechanical engineering at the University of Oradea. I'm obsessed with the universe and relativity, but if I have to be down to earth, I love taking part in business-related activities like this one.
Okay, thank you guys. So our vision was building a mobile app which can verify the genuineness of expensive, delicate, or commonly counterfeit products. We wanted to aim both to business, both to business to consumer revenue possibilities through a classical service-based way mixed with a modern in-application approach of affiliated recommendation. So governments across the European Union lose a huge amount of money, right? This is each year due to counterfeiting, which is really often linked with other serious crimes. So as the research revealed, there are existing links between the mafia-driven counterfeiting and other serious crimes, such as kidnapping, human trafficking, and money laundering. So these are serious waves. So in response to that, the heart of our application is a special database. Our partner companies provide us data about their delicate products, which we convert to unique QR codes, which then can be placed virtually and physically everywhere, for example, on the packaging by the manufacturers. And also, those who just plan to buy such products, our application would help to find the most suitable reseller, who in exchange gives us commission monitored by a special cookie-followed affiliate link. And the name of this process in the market is affiliate marketing. This is kind of invented by Amazon, and for example, the whole YouTuber community works based on these kind of links. So understanding our competition, I can tell you that our application is not just a simple tool to verify. It is also a community-based opportunity for former counterfeit victims and smart shopping recommendation for our future buyers. And also here, we just wanted to remind you, and of course even ourselves, that we could run into complications. And because of complications, we planned our business route with various risk preventive measures, like finding the right amount of starting resources, delivering stable product and strong database. And also we applied these risk measures to both to our business plan and to our budget plan. And we call this approach risk preventive approach on our side. So we didn't just think about sustainability. We didn't want to just throw in some aspects that could help sustainability, but we built our whole application around sustainability because this is such a unique topic, and helping people to find a way around counterfeit products is not just cleans the market, but in our opinion, it also cleans the environment passively and the whole economy. And you can see the main aspects of this approach on our slides. As you can see, the size of the mainstream e-commerce market is so huge that we have a very good amount of headroom to grow and to scale, which is one of the most important factors when we talk about small companies and especially startups. So this roadmap could lead us to a break-even point just under 2 years. But just to explain some of its main parts, because it could not be really obvious. So here we start with the developing of our product. After we don't just, so here we don't aim for a perfect product. We just want to build a minimum viable product to start, to be able to start, get to the market, and be able to test our product with basic features. After the market reacted to our product, we start a partner acquisition. So these three parts just really go together. We try to build something, and with the users calculated here, we calculated in our business plan that we could reach a break-even point around this date. And after we started making real progress and getting real revenue, we want to develop further based on community reviews. So this is called verified experience in the lean startup method. As you could guess earlier, our base revenues can be divided into two parts. The first is paid by companies for our developed verification system. And we cannot and does not really want to charge our customers. So the other part is also paid by companies in exchange for the sales lead generated by our product recommendation system. This is the smaller part. So planning our funding, we also use the more preventive approach, as I earlier mentioned. In business case 1, we assume that everything goes well. We take a little loan and get backed by a greater amount of investor capital. And this is normally the case with startups. But we wanted to build a plan 2, like an emergency business case 2. And because I think, and we think that having a backup plan is always important, especially when scaling a business. And in business case 2, we imagine starting a little rather, like risking more money on our own, complemented by a small amount of government grant, because that we need to get in order to be able to start. And finally, I just want to highlight our two most important tools of marketing. So here you can see our ecosystem of marketing working together. But in my personal opinion, and in the name of our group, community building is really important. So our community later will become a strong stream of organic users. So what kind of community we can talk about? For example, we want to build a forum-like approach when former counterfeit victims can share their experiences, and we can help them find a solution for their problems, and also eventually track down the source of counterfeit problems. The other aspect is the direct marketing, because we plan the 70% of our revenue based on business-to-business structure. Of course, we need direct marketing to directly cooperate with businesses and show them interactive demos of our approach, of our whole ecosystem, and to let them decide why they need us. And I really want to thank your attention with a small little present. So not all of the mobile devices are capable of scanning a QR code natively, but as our knowledge, the Apple ones can. So I really just want to ask to scan this in order for our closing slide. And it looks like I got the first competitor here, I can show the camera that you get your first scan. But for those who weren't be able to scan, I just show you the results of this scanning. So thank you very much for your attention. This was Authentic UR Group.